Welcome back to Healthy Her Fitness, where we help you unlock your best self. Today, we've got an amazing workout lined up for you. If you're looking to burn belly fat, get a flat stomach, and tone that waist, you're in the right place. This beginner-friendly workout is perfect for doing at home, with no equipment needed. So get comfortable, take a deep breath, and let's dive into this powerful routine that will help you achieve your fitness goals faster than ever. Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with a quick warm-up to get our bodies ready. Warming up is essential to prevent injury and maximize results, so follow along with me. Let's start with 30 seconds of jumping jacks. Keep the energy high and get your heart rate up. Now, transition into high knees for 30 seconds. Bring those knees up, engage your core, and keep breathing. Next, we'll loosen up the shoulders with 30 seconds of arm circles. Rotate forward for 15 seconds, then reverse for another 15 seconds. Now rotate the other way. Let's activate the core with 30 seconds of torso twists. Keep your hips steady while twisting your upper body side to side. Now that we're warmed up, let's dive into our core workout. Remember to stay focused and take breaks if you need them. We're starting strong with planks. Hold a plank for 30 seconds. Keep your body in a straight line, engage your core, and don't let your hips drop. You've got this. Halfway there. Stay strong, keep breathing. Next up, mountain climbers for 30 seconds. Drive those knees towards your chest. Feel that burn in your abs. Keep pushing. You're doing great. Now we're targeting those obliques with Russian twists. Let's do 20 reps, 10 per side. Remember, keep your core tight and twist with control. You're building that strong toned waist. Let's finish strong with bicycle crunches. 20 reps, 10 per side. Extend your legs fully and focus on twisting your torso. This is where the magic happens. Push through it, you're almost done. We're ending this circuit with side planks. Hold for 20 seconds per side. This move will sculpt your waist and build stability. Stay steady, you're doing amazing. Now rotate the other way. Awesome work! Now let's cool down with some stretches to relax those muscles. Move into child's pose for 1 minute. Focus on your breathing and let your body relax. Now transition into cat-cow for 1 minute. Stretch out your spine and feel the release. Finally, let's do a seated torso twist. Hold for 1 minute per side, feeling that deep stretch in your core. Now rotate the other way. That's it. You've just completed an amazing workout to burn belly fat and sculpt your waist. Remember, consistency is key, so keep showing up for yourself. Don't forget to hydrate and fuel your body with a healthy meal. I'm so proud of you. See you on the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay tuned.